Hello everyone, so today in this video we will create a little inventory file that will come in handy in a big environment. So I've created a PowerShell, a bash script that will go through all my environment and get all my VMs configuration. So it will get the MAC addresses. It will get the network name where that interface is configured, because I have here some VMs that have two network cards, and each network card is in a different each VM has two network cards, and each network card is in a different network. The script will also gather how much memory every VM has and how many CPUs. So the max CPU. Okay, so it will gather the information from all our pools. It just needs a text file where I listed only the pool masters, because it only needs the pool masters. This is the script. So as I told you, the pool master is needed, and we will generate a CSV file that is called all VMs detailed. This is the first line in the or the header, how should I call it, the header in the CSV file. This will just check if the input file exists or not. This will load in the script the entries in the pool masters, and then it will start the actual loop. It will go through each pool master, and it will gather those informations about the VMs. So first it needs the UID so that we can also generate the pool name. Then it gets the list of the VMs, and if it has the VM names, then it can start to interrogate the pool, the hosts. I mean the XenServer pools. Each VM will get the information that I told you: memory, CPU, MAC addresses. I only configured two MAC addresses because I don't think you will ever have VMs that have more than two network cards, or they are very rare. And yeah, this is the rest of the script. And at the end, it will just write out all the information that it gathered in the first steps. Okay, let's see it in action, and let's see how the CSV file looks like after it's done. So the script is number 2. It's asking us for the root password, and it starts right away. Okay, so it's done. It's a very small environment, so but it will work if you have 100 pools. It will work the same. Okay, so it generated the CSV file, and let's take a look at it. Let's edit with Excel. Okay, so this is the output. Okay, so Mac 1, Mac to network 2. Okay, so as I told you, my VMs in pool F1 have 2 network cards, and each network card is in a different network, and the second network address and with the second network name. Let's see if this is correct. So let's take PVS06. So 65 in red network, 06 networking, 65 in red network, okay, and 65 and 6D in blue network, 6D in blue network, 6D in blue network, okay, and we should have 4 gigabytes of RAM and 2 vCPUs. Wait, where is it? So memory, we have 4 gigabytes and vCPUs 2. So yeah, the script works as expected, and yeah, it will help you a lot in big environments, because you can create such a report in minutes, and you can use it in case of any issues. And if you have PVS configured, then these informations are very, very, very useful. If you have the MAC addresses and the networks, you can recreate the clones immediately. Okay, thank you for watching. This was it. So one more time, let's go and check out the script. It's not so complicated. So this I used to convert, so the output from this is in bytes, and I had to convert it in gigabytes, and this is the way to do it. And anything else? Those the if, this if and the for I've done with the help of ChatGPT. So he has done it much faster than I would have done it, and yeah, don't be afraid to use AI to help you in those tasks. Even if the AI does the work, you still can learn and read what he has done, and you can, in a few months or so, you can do it by yourself. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you liked this video and you want to see more videos like this.